Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate Revolut card under 18. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open up your Revolut app, and once you're there, tap on the bottom right of the screen, and then on the search bar simply type in under 18 and you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Right now, all you gotta do is tap on start and then just fill up the process like your child's name, account details, and so on. And once you're done with that, after a couple of days you'll receive your card. Right now, in order to activate your card, what you need to do is simply do a chip and pin transaction in a shop or an ATM. Means once you have verified and your identity in the Revolut under 18 account is active and ready to be used, and you have received the card. Now, for the card to be active and ready to use, what you need to do is make a chip and pin transaction in shop or an ATM. That means you need to go to a physical store or an ATM and insert in your card for making a transaction which activates your Revolut under 18 card. And that's basically how you can activate your Revolut card under 18. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.